Hi everyone, this is Neha Agrawal, and today Anshul Jain has joined us. Recently, he has bagged an internship with Samsung for June 2021. Congratulations for the internship, Anshul.
Thank you, Neha.
Let's hear the rest from you. Let's firstly introduce yourself to our audience, Anshul.
Hello, everyone. My name is Anshul Jain. I'm currently studying in third year at Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala. I have recently got an internship offer from Samsung Research Institute, Bangalore. I have done two courses from Coding Ninjas, C++ Foundation and Data Structures in C++, and I'm currently doing the competitive programming course from Coding Ninjas itself.
Okay, so coming to our first question, how did you come to know about Coding Ninjas?
I got to know about Coding Ninjas from my college seniors itself who are placed in top MNCs.
Okay.
The vast curriculum at Coding Ninjas and the assignments which are given at the end of every topic and the Coding Ninjas course consisted of all the topics from arrays, linked list, trees, graphs, etc., dynamic programming, and moreover, the expert faculty was teaching us, like Ankush sir really taught very well in the course, and these were some of the few factors that pushed me towards taking the Coding Ninjas help in my placement preparation.
Okay. Second, coming to our next question, Anshul, how did this course help you during your interviews?
The course cleared all my basics in all the topics of the programming. Moreover, the assignments at the end of each and every topic gave me a very good practice of all the topics. There were some of the direct questions from assignments itself in some of the interviews that I gave. Moreover, the teaching method of Ankush sir was very good, and it helped me clear all my doubts, all my basics, and that helped me in my overall placement and internship journey.
The basics were clear while pursuing the course.
Yes, ma'am. The basics are very clear while pursuing.
Okay. So coming to our next question, Anshu, how was your overall experience with us with Coding Ninjas?
My overall experience with Coding Ninjas was very good. The teachers were very good. They taught very well in the courses. Moreover, the TAs helped very much. They were ready to clear doubts at any point of time whenever I was stuck. Also, the course told us about the inbuilt working of some of the data structures that are provided in languages. And these are some of things which are asked in interviews, and most of the students tend to ignore them. That's why Coding Ninjas gave me an edge over taking the help of Coding Ninjas gave me an edge over all the candidates. And thus, my experience was very good. And I would like to recommend anyone, I would like to recommend to everyone to take Coding Ninjas' help in his or her placement preparation.
Thank you, Anshul. Now, coming to our next question, the audience would love to know your interview journey. How many rounds were there? What all questions were asked during the interview?
The interview, first of all, there was a basic CGPA cutoff of 7.5 for the coding test. The coding test consisted of 3 questions, 2 questions from graphs, and one question was of an ad hoc question. There were 2 face-to-face interviews, which were virtually in the COVID time. The first interview asked me some questions on my projects, and then he gave me some questions on Core CS as well. Then he asked me a question on hash maps, and in that question he asked me to code hash map itself, which we used to use inbuilt hash map in our while we used to do practice. The second interview was more on resumes and projects. I had done some projects on machine learning. And the resumes and the interview started questioning me from my resume to my projects, and then the questions went on the machine learning. He also questioned me he also questioned on Core CS subjects as well. And that
was the overall. Okay. So Anshul, you said that the questions were asked on the projects also. Can you elaborate more on projects? How important is the project, and how students should what topics a student should go for while picking up any project?
The student can pick any domain or any topic while he or she is making projects. It's on his or her experience, on another interest. Okay. The basic questions on projects were what was the motivation that made me do that project. All the questions related to that. I did some projects on machine learning. So he asked me about algorithms, machine learning algorithms, the maths behind the machine learning algorithms, and all these questions were asked. Students should not only do projects for project's sake, they should also got to know more about the backend working of the projects, because these are something which are asked in the interviews.
Of course, just for the sake of showing
it. Very important.
Just for the sake of showing
in the resume.
Yes, one should not showcase it on the resume just for the sake of showing it. He should know what all, how he has taken the project, and what all questions will be asked in the project.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Anshul, ending our session with this last question. As you know, this is the interviews placement session going on. So, any tips you want to give to the students who are preparing for the interviews? And
The first and foremost tip I would like to give to the students is not to be afraid of rejections. I too faced rejections in 2 or 3 companies. I sat before my Samsung interview. Moreover, keep on practicing on datasets and algorithms, and do not tend to ignore core CS. Everyone tends to ignore core CS and project preparation, and these are something which give a candidate edge over all the candidates that are sitting for that particular interview. So one should keep on practicing and never ignore core CS and project preparation as well.
definitely one learn a lot from rejection. So one should not fear, like you said, that one should not fear from rejection, because the rejection make you more strong and confident for the future interviews.
It's
Okay,
only how high time and low time for everyone.
definitely it's how it goes. So thank you, Anshul, for sharing your ongoing coding journey, which is still going. And wish you all the best for the future endeavors. And Samsung is waiting for you for the next year. Thank you, Anshul.
Thank you, Neha.